Want to know a quick way on how to change device settings for one particular feature? Maybe it's 1,000 devices, maybe it's one device, but you just want to toggle one feature on and off. Check out this new device job settings in the Pro Management Portal. The transition from Teams Admin Center to Pro Portal is well underway. Check out my previous video. I'll put a link up there somewhere where I take you through all the actions. But I want to show you some new features that are in PMP. So you're going to see this pop up. This is wrong. This will get changed. Teams Rooms on Windows. No, it's Teams Rooms on Android. But today I want to show you something on Teams Panel. So you get it here as well. What I want to be able to do is show you what we can do with Teams Panel and making a change. Let's just jump to the right admin. So I have my Teams Panels here. And previously I would come in here and I've got the Blueberry room that I want to look at. So it's a neat pad. And I would have assigned a profile here. So it's got the neat purple Aaron configuration profile. And again, you're going to get warnings that you need to do this from PMP now. However, custom wallpapers haven't. You still have to do that through configuration profile and import them into Teams Rooms Pro Portal. So now let's go over to Pro Portal. But let's say I want to just make one change to all my devices. So rather than having to go to 1 to 1,000, 3,000 devices, whatever it might be, and I want to turn a setting off. So let's pick on the room icon, for example, in the bottom corner. So I go to Pulse, and I'll show you the panel outside the room, there, and we'll wait. So you can see I've got the room equipment labeled. I've got reserve enabled. What I can do from the Pro Portal, so I can see my device type of Teams Panel, and I'll select my Blueberry room, and here's my device. Connected, Teams Panel, here are my settings, etc., etc. So I can do this individually. So I could come in and say, do you know what? I don't want room equipment. And I'll apply that now. And the great thing about PMP is that this is pretty much instant. So now it's going to apply that to my device. So over here, the job has been queued up. You can look under activity and you can see this be running. There you go, 4 seconds. And it's gone already. So the impact is straight away, which is great. So now, let's say I want to tell this on for everyone. It's a new feature, but I don't want to create a profile or what I call setting template in here. So again, as part of my onboarding into Pro Management Portal, I imported all my configuration profiles. So I could reapply that profile, I could reassign it, and it would put it back. However, under settings, device settings, I have a feature called jobs, and I can create a job and apply room equipment, which device I want it to. So I want it on the Blueberry room, and I want it on the Teams Panel, and I know it's that one because like Pad Pro is the controller. Again, you can put these in device groups so it's much easier. And I want to go to panels, and I want to say room equipment is on now. And I can do this through a scripted window, or I could do multiple actions. So it's not going to affect the original configuration profile or settings template. This is only going to do this one toggle, one feature. So you want to tell something on or off, and I'm going to create a job. And let's wake up digital signage. Based on there, and it's already there. So that job has applied now through PMP, and you can see completed, done. Now, this means that I can go through now. If I put all my Teams panels, for example, in a group, I could apply it to a group. I could turn this feature on for all 3,000 devices in one hit. I don't have to create a new configuration profile. I'm not changing the wallpaper, time zone, language, whatever else it might be that you find in your templates, because your templates are here, and you've got obviously lots and lots of settings. It's not affecting any of these. It is keeping the original settings. So you may have show meeting named on. That hasn't changed. I am just applying with those 1 or 2 features, those toggles, I will turn on or off. So one of the common ones I've seen is the meeting room occupancy. So it is hitting a lot of people that they have it on and they haven't set anything in exchange. So you could come in here and batch create this enablement or disablement of the one feature. So great new feature. Pro Management Portal, go check it out. One key thing with this device job settings is that you must be on Neat OS 26.3. So this went live yesterday in the Teams Admin Center Pro Portal. It's been out since the end of June from the Neat channel. So if you've been on a manual update channel, then you need to update through your Teams Pro Portal or through PMP. And you can simply do that from your firmware from here, for example. Let me pick my Apple room and you go to update. And you can see that you can push that firmware out from there. I've done that and it's completed. So that is one caveat. To do these device job settings, you must be on the latest firmware, and then the whole partial config piece works with Teams Admin Center and Firmware Portal, and the other feature, two-way sync. Well, which is another great feature. So if someone changes something on the device, it'll then send it back to PMP so you can see those changes. Any questions? Let me know, and thanks for watching.